Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get the best Eneba discount codes. So basically all you have to do is go to joinhoney.com and then you will be able to search in the top corner right here Eneba. So once you have searched that, you'll be able to list down the coupons right here. So all you have to do is search one right here and then check what's the best for your order and press get coupon. And then you'll just have to add honey to Chrome basically, and then it's gonna show you the coupon code right here so that you'll be able to buy on Eneba right here. So once you have done that, just say you want to go ahead and buy Grand Theft Auto, and then right here you can buy now, and then you can use the discount code basically from the deal that we just got a while ago. So that's the wrong one. So let's just say 12 cheaper right here. Let's copy that and then apply it right here. Apply, and there you go. It's just that simple. So now you have a discount code for your Eneba and you'll be able to check out with the discount. And there you go.